I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull to trade options easy guide. Open Webull, enable options trading, and fund your account to start placing trades. Verify your identity, choose cash or margin, and review the options agreement carefully. Practice with a paper trading account first to learn pricing and Greeks. Use limit orders to control fills and always check implied volatility before entering trades. Choose the underlying stock or ETF and open the options chain to view available strikes and expirations. Filter by expiration and strike to match your time frame and risk tolerance, and pay attention to volume and open interest for liquidity. Decide between buying or selling options based on reward, risk, and margin impact. Use simple strategies like long calls or protective puts before attempting spreads or iron condors to manage complexity and capital. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I've been using, perfect for saving time between trades, and check the description for the link and other deals. Your support helps me make better content and tests new tools for live demos. Now let's get back to the video. When placing a trade, set quantity and choose order type, using limit orders to control execution price and slippage. Review estimated fees, exercise and assignment risks, and how the trade affects buying power or maintenance margin. Consider setting alerts for fill status and price moves, and use bracket orders to define profit targets and stop losses. Monitor positions after entry and be prepared to adjust or close as market conditions change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.